Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be showing you how to beat the cost of living crisis by using the very best side hustle in the UK. Now, if we jump on the laptop here, I wanted to put this video together because it says here almost half of UK adults are looking for a side hustle to cope with cost of living crisis. So with 47% of UK adults looking for something exactly like what I'm going to share with you in this video, then it would be insane of me to not sort of talk about this and share this with you here on the channel. The regular subscribers of the channel already know what I'm going to say, but if you know what I'm going to say anyway, please do press the like button on this video and comment below with your thoughts on this side hustle. So maybe something to do with how much money you've made from it, how long you've been doing it. So anyone new to this can actually go into the comments and not just take it from me, but take it from people that have been doing this side hustle already. So this side hustle then that we'll get on the laptop here and I'll show you exactly how to get started with is called matched betting. Now, those of you against gambling and just dislike bookmakers completely, you're the perfect person for this, because this isn't really for people that are interested in betting and gambling, because it won't work for those people. They'll just lose money. But if you hate bookmakers, then I definitely feel like this video is well worth watching. Match betting has nothing to do with gambling, nothing to do with, although you are placing bets, it's not actually betting. And if we get on the laptop here, I'll show you how that's the case. So this is the site that I've been using for the past few years, and in my time of using this site, OddsMonkey, I've actually made just shy of £30,000. Some of the profit that I've made from it, I never actually registered on the profit tracker. That's why it says 28,500. So it is a bit more than that. But basically here on this OddsMonkey site, they have all the tools, all the sort of software, guides, everything that you need to use in order to make money from this. And if I just show you how it's not gambling here, if we just go to the offers tab here and then go to new account bookmakers, and actually this is the old version of the site. We can go on to their newer version, but I just prefer the old version. But if we go to new account bookmakers, then I'll show you a great example how this is just not gambling whatsoever. So first of all, then it says beginner step by step. And of course, I do have my referral link down in the description. It's a free trial link. And there's a code there to get you 50% off your first month when you are ready to go for the fully paid premium version, which is only £25 a month. So it's not much money if you're starting to get worried about how much it's going to cost you. But yeah, this beginner step-by-step part here literally takes you through everything you need to know. And we can just skip out the first 3 steps and we'll just jump to this first offer here. So Sky Bet, so you're going to open an account with Sky Bet and bet £5 to get a £20 free bet. Now, if we click on View Offer, it's a full guide here, as I say, and it takes you through everything you need to know. It even tells you you're going to make approximately £15 guaranteed. And the way you do this is you actually use this tool here. So this is the most basic tool on this site called the Odds Matcher. Now, if I show you just quickly how to use this bit of software here, all you would do here, so for betting the £5 at Sky Bet, you just open this filter, limit sports, and click we want football only. And then on bookmakers, scroll down to Sky Bet, select Sky Bet, and then you're going to be using something called a betting exchange to bet against the outcome happening. So we're just going to have Smarkets there selected. That's my favorite exchange because you can connect your OddsMonkey account to Smarkets so that you don't pay any commission at Smarkets, completely commission free, 0% commission there. But on this welcome offer of Sky's, it is saying that the minimum odds you need to place is 2.0 to qualify for the free bet. So we'll go ahead and put 2.0 as the minimum back odds. And then the maximum match rating, we want 100% because you don't want to do anything over 100%. If you do, you'll get your account banned very quickly. It's called an ARB bet. So definitely under 100%. And then we want minimum 95% as a bet there. And we'll just press apply here, apply filter. And let that refresh. And that's basically now given us. So we have a bet here, which is starting on so the 3rd of September, Southend versus Torquay. And it's to bet on Southend to win. So if we click on this more information tab, the offer, as you recall me saying, is bet £5 to get a £20 free bet. Now, with £5 in the calculator here, so Sky Bet stake, £5, and then you go to normal setting on the calculator, you can see that no matter what the outcome, we're going to lose 3 pence as the very most amount of money from betting our £5, because we bet on the team Southend to win at Sky Bet, but then at Smarkets we bet against Southend winning. If we just click go to Smarkets here, I'll show you how you do that. So you can either actually click on bet through OddsMonkey here on so you can bet on at Smarkets through OddsMonkey, or you can do it manually yourself here. So we can see the blue box there, the lay odds against Southend 2.06, and yeah, 2.06 lay odds there. So you're basically covering the outcome to happen with the back bet, and then the covering against the outcome with a lay bet. And yeah, it's 3 pence there it's going to cost you. Now, when you've placed that bet, you've lost your 3 pence, guaranteed. You could lose 2 pence if they don't win, but if they win, 3 pence. Then what you're going to get is a £20 free bet from Sky, and you'll just simply change the back odds to do at least 5.0 back odds, because you want higher back odds when it's a free bet. And then we'll press apply filter again and find another bet. So there's no bet there found with at least 95% as a match rating. So we'll go to 90%. And there we see 94%. So Tottenham versus Fulham, betting on the draw and against the draw. So we click on the information icon, switch over the calculator to free bet stake not returned, and change that to £20 because we've got £20 as a free bet. And you can see that no matter what happens, the worst case scenario is we'll get £15 9 pence, and best case we'll get £15 11. So again, all we've done is back it and lay it with the £20 free bet that Sky have given us. So you would just simply take that £15 9 pence minus the 3 pence qualifying loss from the qualifying bet to get your free bet, and you've made a profit of £15 6 pence. And remember, on this guide here it says you'll approximately make £15, so that's exactly pretty much bang on there with what you would expect to make. So now you've seen that match betting is not gambling because you're not risking any money. We'll press back here and we'll scroll down, and you can see that all of these different bookmakers are offering these free bets and promotions, and there's lots of them here on OddsMonkey. So all these sign-up offers, and that's just the very beginning. Like once you've completed those, you go to casino new account offers, and then just currently here, so new account offers, there's currently £485 of value there, and that Casino Hub part of the OddsMonkey site is included in your premium membership. There's no like paying extra to get access to that, like with some match betting sites. I'm not mentioning any names, but yeah, nearly 500 quid of value just from casino offers there. Insane amount of money to be made from this each month, like several £100s. And this is, you're going to do the basic sign up offers, and then you've got all the advanced strategies on top of that, which you can then continue to make money from each month. Now, if you're still watching this video currently and you're still not quite sure, I'll just show you OddsMonkey's Trustpilot reviews here. So it's rated excellent, and 531 reviews there. And then the Profit Boss Trustpilot, this is my coaching service for the more advanced strategies. So I have something called a Ko-fi VIP membership, which is just $12.99 a month. And I basically live stream every Saturday for an hour in the morning, so 10 a.m. till 11 a.m., 1 hour, to walk you through anything you want to know, where I can share my screen and show you exactly what to do on anything at all. And then on a Saturday afternoon for an hour and a half, I talk about advanced strategies to do with horse racing, so value betting and the extra places strategy, which is another more advanced strategy. But yeah, you can see I've got an excellent rating. All of these are excellent reviews. The one bad review was actually someone from America that they posted on my Trustpilot here by mistake. So yeah, it wasn't actually meant for me. So yeah, 100% excellent review there for my coaching service. So I hope I've now opened your eyes to a brand new side hustle that you've never seen before, and you can get started with this and start making several £100s, if not maybe even over £1,000 a month from this side hustle. If you've not yet pressed the like button, I do appreciate you doing so. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.